Hello friends, welcome to the Family Pharma BD YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the medicine you see on screen. This is PlanA Vaginal Gel manufactured by Square Pharmaceuticals. This gel is used by women vaginally before sexual intercourse. As you can see in the video, there is a long white object. This is called an applicator and it is used to insert the gel into the vagina. PlanAGel contains 3 key ingredients: lactic acid 1.8%, citric acid 1% and potassium bitartrate 0.4%. In this video, we will explore in detail everything you need to know about this commonly used product, PlanA Vaginal Gel. We have also included detailed information in the video description box, so feel free to check that out too. In today's video, we will discuss what is PlanAGel, why is it used, how to use it correctly, what are the side effects and important precautions. What is PlanAGel? PlanA is a non-hormonal contraceptive vaginal gel designed to be safe, easy to use and good alternative for women who prefer to avoid hormonal birth control. Hormonal methods include pills, injections, implants and intrauterine devices or IUDs. But in contrast, PlanAGel is non-hormonal. It is a special type of vaginal gel that is applied inside the vagina before intercourse and works by lowering the pH level in the vagina, creating an acidic environment where sperm cannot survive, blocking sperm movement, preventing them from reaching the egg. Because this gel contains no hormones, it is safer option for women who experience side effects from hormonal contraceptives. The active ingredients are lactic acid, citric acid, potassium bitartrate. Together they help maintain a healthy vaginal pH and inactive sperm effectively. Why use PlanAGel? Some key benefits include no hormone related side effects, use only before intercourse, not daily, safe for breastfeeding mothers, helps maintain vaginal health. How to use PlanAGel properly? Insert 1 dose. 1 dose means 5 grams of PlanA Vaginal Gel into the vagina 1 hour before intercourse using the applicator. For each act of intercourse, use a new dose. If you have intercourse again within the same hour, you must apply another full dose, mean 5 grams, before it. Precautions. This gel only prevents pregnancy but does not protect against STDs like HIV. Pregnant women or those with vaginal infections should consult a doctor before use. If you experience burning, itching or discomfort, stop use and seek medical advice. Some limitations: must be reapplied every time before intercourse. Does not offer protection from HIV or other STDs. May cause mild irritation in some users. Not 100% foolproof. Effectiveness is around 90 to 95%. Important note: PlanAGel is a modern non-hormonal contraceptive method, but always consult a registered doctor before use to ensure it's right for you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Family Pharma BD channel for more health related videos. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.